What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always want to thank you guys for support. We got our family in here, man. Mr. Jason Dlr. Tell them what to be. Don't tell them nothing, but tell them a little bit of what we're expecting to show everybody.
Just stay tuned.
What's the name?
Just stay tuned.
Just what's the name?
Car's name is Inferno.
Inferno. Infierno. In Spanish is Infierno. And it's Inferno. And she is going to be fire. This build, I'm not going to give y'all too much. We want you guys to pay attention to the videos and definitely pay attention because it's going to be an amazing, beautiful build. One of a kind. I'm very proud of the build. He's very proud. Been a long time coming.
Yes, it has.
And once she comes together, though, I think he said when he gets it back, he's not going to drive the car at all because he wants to just reveal it at wham. I could truthfully, look, I'm going to do a little survey. My son don't like the camera. Do you think he's going to actually wait to drive the car?
Yep. He's just gonna enjoy the ride home.
That's it, and park it. You think that after all the time he's been waiting and everything he's getting done to that car, you think he's gonna wait to drive that car? You think he's gonna drive it? So we got 1-to-1. Let's ask him in Spanish and I'll translate you. El muchacho este dice que cuando tenga el carro no lo van a manejar porque él quiere dar el show que todo el mundo lo vea. ¿Tú crees que va a esperar o tú crees que él va a guiarlo antes? I said to him, he wants to reveal the car in Wham show. Do you think that when he gets the car back, he's gonna actually drive the car, or is he just gonna park it and wait for Wham? He says that guy is not gonna want to wait to drive his car, and I kind of feel the same thing. You know what? He might do a late night creep because nobody sees the car. He might go 2 o'clock in the morning and go do a little late night creep, but you know what? Stay tuned. It's gonna be a beautiful build. Today, we're bringing you something else here, y'all. We have a beautiful TRX. Customer brought it, came in and got some quotes for different ideas, different thing he wanted to do. It could be a step-by-step process. Today, he brought it in, and I'll show you to her. Beautiful TRX, he just bought it. He's coming in today to get some lighting done, so we're doing a whole underglow kit on this one, 6-bar underglow kit. We're doing a grill light install, upper and lower grills on that one, and we're gonna be building an audio build on this one to give it some boom, boom, boom. After that, then we have other things that'll be going on, but again, it is a beautiful truck. It is a Dodge TRX, and if y'all don't know it, I don't know how. But we're gonna be removing this rack out to get the new base package installed and get this car out there for the customer with custom lighting done, underglow grills, and a Nemesis audio build. On this one, we'll be using 2 slim, shallow mount Nemesis 10 inches. We're gonna be using an enclosure that can be ported. We're gonna be using a 2K Nemesis amplifier. We're gonna be using the, of course, the high to low that we use to get the signal from the factory radio, all the wire that needs to get installed, 6-bar underglow kit. We're gonna be doing multiple bars in the front of the grills and get this car lit up and get it in a beautiful condition. Stay tuned for this TRX build. Just bring you a little update. So right now we have them doing the underglow installation, which this is, like I said, gonna have the grill, upper and lower, a complete underglow 6-bar, which means gonna have a bar in the front, 2 bars in the front to light up more of a glow. The side bar and the front ones, that's all in progress. Amplifier being installed here, Nemesis 2K. Y'all can see it right there, 2,000 watts. Going into this box, which it could be amazing because it's 2.8. So we're doing 2 Nemesis 8-inch woofers in this box that goes underneath the seat, which is gonna be an amazing build. In reality, 8 sound better than 10s in trucks because of airspace. So what you're dealing with is how much air you have, incursion, excursion, and the floating of air. Like what you know as SPL, which is sound pressure level. The more a speaker can move, the more air it can move. That's why between this, let me show you. Between this and a flat piston speaker, this has a lot more excursion and incursion than a regular speaker does, right? That's what the boot's for here. So being that it can move more, it can move a lot more air, it's gonna give us a lot more audio. And I can promise you one thing, that this customer could be surprised. We sold it originally with 10s. I called him and said I'm gonna do an upgrade because the box became available, which is a pretty cool box. Let me show you this here. It says RAM on it, boom. And that is gonna give him what he needs to have the bass deep. I'll show you our reaction, man, but just kind of showing you what's going on with this one. So it's a full Nemesis build for now. We've got 4 stages to this build. Today we're doing the underglow, the grill lights, and the bass. Then we're gonna be doing the vocals on the next trip and the DLRs. So this is gonna be a process to continue. But for today, it's the bass package and the underglow and the grill lights. I know you can be excited, but I'm gonna show you how this comes out at the end, or what it looks like. Technicians are now wiring everything up on this bad boy. And amplifier, we got the 4-gauge wire, we got the ground to positive remote. All this is situated here, ready to go. And then soon, we will have this banging and booming. So y'all, I can tell you one thing, stay tuned to this video for a customer reaction. He's gonna be blown away, stay tuned. True, so we come into the moment of action. Technician here is actually installing right now the subwoofers into the box, because they got the 2.8s. going into this box to make it go boom. So right now he's doing the installation, perfect fit. And now that that's in there, he's gonna of course do all the wrapping and all that, but you get an idea of what's going on. Those stuff going in here. This car should be sounding very shortly, and we should get a great reaction from the customers. He sees the car with the visual effects, but also gets to hear the car. So just showing y'all what's going on here, man. We actually did something for him, and we're just making it. You see the front is going, we're good. But the side of this TRX is a lot longer than most of the other builds on the car. So we actually put one bar and we put another bar. We're gonna put 2 bars on the side of this here to give it more of a flow that could be completely going through the whole side of the truck. And the one that's designing that is Isaac, but he suggested it. We do 2 bars on the side, give him more of a 360 look, and that's what's going on with her right now. So right now, Isaac rocking and rolling on the Underglow. We'll have the grill lights done soon. The audio's almost done. We'll bring you back to see what it is, man, by just giving you an update. Playing over there on the screen. So this is how we do YouTube. We just got the little screen. They're gonna do Osmo 3. It does the options of going side by side, 16.9. But you know what? Now that you're on the camera, tell everybody your name, man. Muhammad. What is your Instagram page? He don't even know his own Instagram too much, man. Come on, man. You gotta know your IG. How long you been married? 25 years. That's why he don't know his Instagram page. No, man. We're gonna keep on rolling here, man. Just want to introduce him. A cool dude came, brought some cars for the build today. We handled it. In fact, you know what? Let's just come around and get everybody on the camera today, man. What is your name for the camera?
I go by Hunter.
Hunter, all right, cool. Tell everybody about your car group, man.
The car group, we just started it probably like a week ago. We're about 30 people deep already.
Good.
We are stationed in Dallas. We got people in Fort Worth. We got people in Houston. Houston is still building up its own platform and everything like that. But we do have a meet this Sunday at 6 p.m. It's over by the Toyota
remember,
Stadium.
videos don't come out today. So I gotta edit them. So my question is, Sunday, what date? Because I'm gonna edit it before the
It's gonna
weekend.
be Sunday, March the 3rd. It's gonna be over there by the Toyota Stadium.
In Frisco,
Texas.
So I'm gonna be there, y'all. So you want to come in, and this is the guy who I'm gonna hire for my security. Man, stand up and show everybody why I'm gonna hire you for security. Like, this guy just walked in, he's tall, but this guy here is just a monster, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? He's just, man, let me put you in perspective. Y'all seen me before. Look how small I look next to this man. I got a belly, he's more fit, but he's still a lot more bigger, y'all. But you know what? It is what it is. He's the one that owns the TRX that we're doing the lights on. I just gave him a couple surprises. We went to 2.8, we went for the Ace. He'll love that. We also went to 8 bars, and the reason is the side of the vehicle, obviously on the truck, is a lot longer. So we put 2 bars on the side to give him more of a 360 effect. Didn't even charge him for it. We just making sure he has a smile on his face. He has a lot of other orders there pending that he wants to do. So I'm gonna throw those little 8 bars in. Look at him, look. Why are you laughing so hard, man? He gave me a whole list of projections of things he wants to do. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna do him like I used to do when I was single. You have to go and romance the woman a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? Buy him a little popcorn in the movie theater. Buy him a little Coke, maybe a little slushy if they feel a little special, right? And then you do what you have to do, and that's kind of what I did today, because the lights was a slushy for you. So hopefully you come back for more, you know what I'm saying? But surely we should have this one out, y'all, and get this car revealed for y'all. The music does sound good. Isaac finishing up the grill area, and we should have that out shortly. But that's where we at right now, so stay tuned, y'all. It's like we work from morning to night. That's what it takes sometimes to make things happen, man. Make customers happy and get the results of what you need, you know what I'm saying? So in reality, it's a late night, the team is tired, I'm tired, but we got to handle, we need to handle to get everything done. TRX is done. I'm gonna let y'all see as she comes around the block, and let's see what happens, y'all. Actually, let me get the customer here. I forgot to bring the customer outside. Hold on. Boss man, come outside so you can take your reveal. Oh, he on the phone? My bad, he's on the phone. You see him over there? Let's get the TRX around here. I'm gonna walk you through what we did to her and what's going on with her. Yep, y'all, that's the Viper right there, buddy. Definitely a bad girl. Just waiting, y'all. And here she comes, y'all. Custom done 8 bars. So he has more bars here than normal. He has the rear bars. So he has 2 in the rear. He has 2 on the sides to give him that whole glow. And then he has 2 also in the front. That's also, we did the grill lighting, and you can see the whole grill, upper and lower grills. all lit up perfect and ready to go. So now we're gonna get his reaction and we get this bad boy delivered to the customer. Y'all stay tuned. Go. This is yours. Let me walk you through. In fact, I'm gonna ask my son if he could accompany me because he could get an app downloaded for you and kind of show you what's going on in the exterior and what she looked like and what's going on. Let him do his thing there. Oh, guys, I'm tired. You see this? I'm tired. So I'm gonna bring y'all back. Let me get this turned on and stuff. Well, my son can turn on and we'll pair it up to his phone. But just like that, you got the heartbeat going on. They say Chevy's the heartbeat of America, but I think this Dodge is the one doing it right now. Grill lights. Just like that. Grill work, upper, lower, bottom. Now my son can teach him how to use that. So we gotta get to the other part though. Let's go to turn on that audio and give him a little bang. That green looked good on it too. So you got 8 bars, you got 2 in the front, 2 in the back. You normally have 1 on the side. Isaac put 2 on the side. So you are now powered by 2 8s. I told him to make a lot better. Your front of the box says Ram on it. You'll see that I get another time, but that's where the units at the amp is hitting the bottom. Let's hear some music. That's what we want to do. Let's get inside and hear this bang that he's got. Let's get his reaction, y'all. So I'm gonna go inside the truck. Don't worry about the bag, man. It's okay. You got a bass knob down there too, because you can control how much bass you want to use right here on the side. So you can choose how much bass you want to use, but we'll let him get a quick demo. It's 2 8s. So I know you were questioning me on the 8s a little while ago. Are you questioning me anymore?
No, sir.
You're amazed.
That's insane.
2 8s.
That is sick.
People don't believe it. 2 8s knock hard. Right airspace, they hit hard, and it's more bass than what most people would expect from something like that. So it's amazing. The box is custom logoed in the front. It says Ram. It's a pro box, so it's an MDF box. Man, it's nothing to talk about. She sounds.
What I would do.
Before I get back to the setup, y'all, just tell everybody in the camera how you feeling today and what's going on.
Good, good. He got it done in 1 afternoon. I mean, it was insane. I called, he said bring it in, and he got it done in 1 afternoon.
Well, you know what? This is what we do. We make the dream work happen, man. You know what I'm saying? And for the team, shout out to the team, man, at AUDIOZONE for busting their tails and getting it done, but she's done. She's ready to be signed, sealed. He's smiling. I'm smiling. It's a done deal, y'all. We're going to end this video always telling y'all thank y'all for the watch, man. Always thank y'all for the support. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Y'all be good and God bless.